Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I like to show you the latest development of Sony's UWP-D series. It's the URX-P03D. It's a portable receiver which can receive two independent channels. So it's a two-channel receiver, that's why we have the D in the end, it's for double. The P03 is the standard receiver which Sony is selling since some years, but the D version is brand new and is shown on IBC in 2016's first time. It looks from the front like the standard version, but if you look on top, then you see here 4 mini jack outputs. One is the headphone, that's on the left side, and then we have the 2 outputs for the 2 channels, and then we have a fourth mini jack input which is used for extra microphone input. So this is the third input, and this third input gives you the chance to use an extra stereo mic or an BMP mic, a lavalier mic from Sony, and this could be mixed to the channel 1 and 2. 2 independent switches, so switch on channel 1 or switch on channel 2, so that's the 2 channels, and then you have a great display which shows you these 2 independent channels. It is a diversity system, but it's using the true diversity function if you use 1 channel, and it uses antenna switch diversity if you're using the 2 channels. Good enough for the standard ENG, wedding video things, whatever you like to do with this system. You can use it with the MI shoe on any camcorder which Sony provides with the MI shoe. So then the 2-channel audio goes over the SMAT P03D to the camcorder, or you can use the standard outputs, which is in this case an XLR or 2 XLR cables, or it is the mini jack which has 2 outputs unhermetically to the camcorder. Let's look how it works. So that is then the way that you're using your mini jack, and the mini jack gives you an unsymmetrical output to your camcorder, standard stereo connector, channel 1 on the tip, channel 2 on the ring, and the rest is ground. If you use the XLR, and this is different to the P03 1-channel version, if you use the XLR outputs, you have a symmetrical output. So that is then a full symmetrical output, which is a solution for some problems we had with the non-Sony camcorders where we have some hum or some noise. So that's new, that you have a symmetrical output which also gives you a better signal noise ratio, so less noise is coming out of the 2 outputs. If you look on the menu, that standard screen things like headphone or input gain, you have all these functions like channel scan, free channel scan, automatic setup, where the system is searching a free available channel for channel 1 or channel 2, and then it can be synced by infrared to your handheld or the plug-on or the body pack. That's the standard situation we have. So it's all the functions inside you have on the standard P3 version. On top, again, you have these 4 mini jack input, which is usable in 2 different ways. One way is using a Sony lavalier mic, that's the BMP mode. So it gives you 5-volt phantom power to power a BMP mic, which is a good idea if you use your camera guy, let's say, as a guy who's asking questions or a moderator, or you have use this mic for ambient recording. Or use it in the stereo mode, and in stereo mode you have 2-channel input, an unsymmetrical 2-channel input on the mini jack, and this is really compatible with Rode, Aston, or some other external manufacturer which deliver stereo mics over mini jack output, which can be then connected to this receiver and is mixed. Channel 1 is going to the left channel, channel 2 is going to the right channel. You can mix this, and you can change even the input level, so you can level the input of the radio mic against the stereo mic. Great function. Price is around 760 euros, and it's available from now, as I know. It comes in the 3 standard versions. Frequency range is 21 to 29, 33 to 41, and 42 to 50. So covers in 3 ranges, 470 to 694 megahertz. The future range in Europe after the digital dividend 2 is coming up in all the countries. What is on top? Yeah, you can powering the receiver, I need my glasses, by a USB. So if you switch to USB, then you see here in the middle an ext. So it means external power is coming in. And if you use it in this way, then the internal nickel metal batteries or alkaline batteries are passed, and it powers directly over the 12-volt USB the receiver. Or if you take the batteries off, yeah, it's still working. So display lights up. If you switch it off in this mode, then it's start charging the nickel metal batteries here inside. Yeah, so you can charge your batteries with any micro USB connector from your mobile phone, as an example. Yeah, come on IBC 2016, which starts on the 8th of August, I think. And let's have a look on the URX-P03D from Sony. Thanks for watching.